Hi everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, we will go through how we need to create a project. For that, when we navigate into the project module, the dashboard is visible in this way. When I click on a new here, the pop-up we will get as a create a project. Here we need to add a name. Just we shall take a name of the project as ERP management. And also, next we do have the timesheet management or the timesheet setting. When this is enabled, when this is checked box, employees can log the time spent on tasks, managers can track working hours, and productivity monitoring becomes easier. Timesheets are mainly used in IT companies, service industries, and consulting businesses. Next, the billable project. When this option is enabled, the logged hours and materials can be invoiced to customers, and Odoo connects the project with sales and accounting models. Billable projects are useful for client projects, freelancing, and also the service-based businesses. If the project is only for internal work, this option may not be required. Next, we do have the create task by sending an email to the email which we will give. This is a task management setting. Using the project task, team can create a task, assign task to employees, and set deadline, track progress also here. Once I click on a create project, the project will be created in this way. As it is a new project, we need to add a stages in a new and organized way. Let's add a stage here. The first stage as a new and the second stage as in progress. Next, we shall keep it as a review. Next, as a done stage. Let's consider only the 4 stages. Yes, the 4 stages we have created. Okay. Let's go back to this. Yeah. When I hover in on this ERP management project, here the 3 dots we can see. When I click on that, we can see the view under this task, milestone and timesheets, under which view we can select here. And the reporting also we can see the dashboard, task analysis, burn down chart and customer rating, and also the share project duplicates and the settings. Let's go into the settings here. When I click on the settings, the tabs like the description and the settings of this particular project we can see here. Name of the task is we have not yet created the task. The creating the task in this ERP management, we shall go through the another video, next video. Next, we do have a field called as a plan date. When I click on this plan date, we can select the plan date here. Let's select the June 26 and then apply. Yes, created, and it's a plan date. We can also allocate the time here. Let's allocate some 50 hours. We do have the description. Here, this is the text field. The rich text field, we can add the description for the project. Here, we do have the settings. Inside this, we can see the project visibility. This project visibility, it's of invited internal users like a private and all internal users, and invited portal users. This is a public. Private projects means that private projects are accessible only to selected users or the internal team, and it is also used for internal company project and like HR activities, confidential work also. And there is an option called as a public here, like public project or the public visibility. Public projects can be accessed by multiple employees within the organization, and this is used for team collaboration and also the clients, the portal users, and the customers. Yes. And next we do have the task management, into which the task dependencies and milestone we have. This milestone and the task dependency we shall see in the task creation video. Next we do have the time management. This timesheet has been checked box. For this project, the particular timesheet can also be created here. Next, the sales and invoicing, as we are seeing the billable, and the analytics also we do have here, like the customer rating. Once all this is filled, when we click on this, project start date must be before its end date. Yes. Here, the project start date. Let's take it for a May. And this project end date, let's keep it for July 24. Yes. When we save this, the project has been created and successfully saved. This ERP management. In this way, the project will be created. Here we can see in this dashboard the project name from date to date, and the task, number of tasks, and the hours, and assignee to which this project has been assigned. In this way, the project will be created in the Odoo 18. Thank you.